Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to fade in and out audio in CapCut. So, first thing is just simply go to your project and go for your video. And now just simply go ahead and select the video that you want to fade in and out. And now on the categories at the bottom over here, just simply swipe to the left and you should be able to see here extract audio. As you can see over here, tap on the extract audio and it will extract the audio of the video, and from here you will have the audio of the video. And in order for you to add a fade in and out, you should be able to see here on the left side fade. So just simply tap on that category, guys, fade. And from here, as you can see, you will have an option to fade in the clip and fade out the clip as well. So pretty much this will be depending on you on how much you would like to fade in and out the audio in the CapCut. So guys, make sure to check the link in the description below to try CapCut Pro for free. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching. See ya!